Welcome to the farm.
Welcome to the farm. I'm Justin, and behind me is our barn driveway. And it's starting to get a little overgrown and a little tight, and it's scratching up my new truck. So we're gonna take care of that today. Let's go grab some equipment, start cutting and widening. So not too long ago, I picked up this battery-powered Milwaukee Polesaw, and I did a little unboxing, assembling, and first use review video. And I'll put a link to that in the description if you haven't seen it. But today, we're gonna try to put this through its paces some more. Let's go cut some branches. Shoot. Oh no. Well, we're not off to a good start. I already got the pole saw stuck in the tree. So I'll grab a ladder and let's see if we can get this out. So it doesn't look like I did any damage to it, just stretch out the chain some more. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up a little bit and try it again. All right, let's try this again. This time I think I'm gonna try to do an undercut a little bit lower, cut part of that off, and then I'll cut the rest of it up high. So I just cut this wild vine that's growing up in all the trees here, and I tried pulling it out. It's not coming out yet. So I'm gonna leave this hang here, let it dry out, die off a little bit, and hopefully whatever's holding it will become more brittle, and I'll be able to pull it out of the tree then. So that's a start behind me. Still got a lot more to do, but Cadence and Dana just came outside, and Cadence wants to work on our playhouse today, so we're gonna take a break from this, go work on our playhouse, and we'll pick this up later. All right, so we did some work on Cadence's playhouse. The plan was to come back out the next day and to work on this driveway again. But as you can see by the branches I cut, that wasn't the case. It's been weeks since I started this project. But today, we're finally gonna get back on it. I got the tractor out with the chipper, and we're gonna get some cleaning done. But before I get into cutting more stuff, I cut this vine last time, and it's been sitting here for a few weeks now dead, so I'm hoping that the stuff dried out enough and I can actually pull this thing out now. Yeah, it's a big old no. Maybe I'll hook to the tractor and see if the tractor will pull it. Well, that worked like a dream. Pulled it right out of the tree like it wasn't even there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this unhooked. We'll grab the pole saw and cut a few more branches down. All right, so now that I got all that branches cut down, I'm gonna grab the little saw. We're just gonna start at the end of the driveway by the barn and work our way out to the road. We're just gonna cut everything off, lay it in the driveway, and then we'll come back at the end, drag it all to the chipper, chip it all up. Well, I have successfully made another huge mess for myself to clean up, but it's already looking like a huge difference. I can't wait to see what it looks like once I get all this stuff chipped up. So I'm gonna go ahead, fire up the tractor, and get to chipping. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks so much better. I should be able to get my truck through here without getting scratched up with no problem now, and I'm really happy about that. There's a few things I'd like to do. I'd like to trim along the edges with maybe like a weed whacker. Ideally, I'd like to do it with my brush mower. So at some point I may cut that bank down there, make it a little smoother so I could just drive right along the edge of the driveway with my tractor and brush mower and just cut that all down and keep it a little more maintained, a little easier, so that way it's not such a task next time. But I'm ecstatic, it looks great. I think that's gonna be it. Just wanna say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.